Well, returning to Nigeria, a new tariff hike to limit tobacco consumption takes effect from today amidst calls for stricter anti-smoking laws. Nigeria has already banned smoking in public places, but enforcement of the ban has hardly taken effect, and its health ministry says tobacco consumption remains as high as 20 billion cigarettes per year. CGTN's Kelechi Emekalam has more.
A coalition of anti-tobacco campaigners and health ministry officials joining forces to tighten the anti-smoking regulations in Nigeria. Smoking in public places is banned here, and recently government added taxes on cigarettes. The new taxes would see ₦1 added on every stick of cigarette progressively for more than 20 years. The government says it's part of a strategy to raise more revenue, but also curb smoking. A WHO report estimates 13 million Nigerians consume 18 billion cigarettes yearly. It's a major cause of cardiovascular disease, contributing to 3 million deaths a year. This year's campaign against tobacco is happening when the new tariff hike on tobacco is coming into force, but Nigeria is being asked to do more.
Today, we expect something like about 100% increase in taxes in Nigeria. That is just one. Public awareness is very essential. We just don't want Africa or Nigeria to be marking World No Tobacco Day. World No Tobacco Day or a tobacco-free lifestyle should be part and parcel of every African citizen and of every Nigerian.
Nigeria's current tax levy on tobacco falls below the 70% suggested by the World Health Organization. But manufacturers and labor unions in tobacco industry have warned the tax hike could drive them out of business and put more than 20,000 out of job.
It is very clear from the Framework Convention on Tobacco Control that when there is a conflict between public health and the commercial interest of tobacco companies, the government should be on the side of public health. Number one. Number two, there's actually no 20,000 workers anywhere. We don't know where they got that statistics from. It is wrong. The biggest tobacco company in Nigeria is employing 1,000, so the second biggest cannot also employ more than 1,000.
But despite all the push to curb tobacco consumption in Nigeria, the country with its 198 million population is among the top 10 African markets targeted by multinational tobacco companies. In 2016 alone, 4,736 metric tons of cigarettes were produced. Tobacco dealers continue to lobby hard against the total elimination from the market. Kelechi, Emekalam, CGTN, Abuja, Nigeria.